Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery, and some of the residuals from the hurricane are here, and so am I. And I'm thinking that it would be okay to use some colors I've got. Hopefully nothing blows away too rapidly, because I really want to use these colors up, and I don't have my glasses, which is kind of too bad, because they were here a minute ago, and I'm not sure what I did with them. Okay, such is life. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and use my favorite little tool to give myself permission to make some marks with the beautiful colors that I've got, and hope that I can manage to get this inside my studio and keep the wind from blowing everything into the artwork. Yes, I am crazy, I know. But I love this turquoise color, and I really don't want to waste it. And I don't think there's going to be another way to use it. I'm going to take a whole bunch of this. And maybe be as quick as possible. Yep, that's a hard rain. I have a shovel around here. That might make quicker work of this. Go down on the outside. Well, you know how I say I never put water in my paint? At this particular moment I would have to say that might be a lie. It'd be nice if it didn't last long. So far. I am getting wet legs. Kinds of this paint to use, where to use it, all kinds of water coming my way. Well, I don't hear any lightning and I don't hear any thunder. Excuse me, I don't hear any thunder and I don't see any lightning. Still loving my colors. Maybe if I don't try and bring it back into the studio, it won't be too bad. Okay, you know it. I'm legitimately loopy. I'm throwing that in the bucket. The bucket's getting full of water. I might have wanted to tip this, but I think if I tip it in the wrong direction, I'm going to be getting water from the blowback. I'd really like my glasses, but I haven't got a clue what I did to them. Right there on the mirror. Nope, they've just completely disappeared. No glasses, and plenty of rain. Que sera, sera. Alright, so what else have we got? I guess there would be another day for this if I don't like it after this. There's some happy birds. They're probably happier since the hurricane didn't actually land on us. There it is. The ultimate permission. where am I going to go? If I run across the yard right now, I'm going to get soaked. Might as well do whatever I feel like doing. If I try and get this painting anywhere, I'm going to have a problem with that too, I can tell you now. I kind of want some more black. And I might want some more blue. Hey, it seems like it might be stopping. That'd be kind of cool. Even better to find one glasses. There they are. Hey, look, they're not wet. I found them. Well, we're going to hang on for a minute. Dry my glasses off to the best of my ability. And see what we're actually looking at. Well, that's not bad. I'm not unhappy with that a bit. I don't know if we can turn it any more directions. Kind of like some, what would I like? I'd like some chain that's not stiff. Most of it's pretty used. The birds have had a bath, and I want to talk about it. And only the back of my legs are wet, which is pretty cool. And I do love my chain, and I'm loving it even more right now. I think I'm going to use some white. Put all of that back in my hand again. Because it creates this this level of definition I can't seem to get any other way. Might as well just leave this right out here. I don't know what that is. A piece of canvas that's showing through. I think I need something up there, and I think it could be white. Now that I've started with the chain, you're going to be hard pressed to get me to stop. And being that it's so damp out here, that ought to not be a problem. I just love the purple with the white. Mostly because I have this very strong inclination to think I'll be able to have it dry so I can see it tomorrow. I think I want to put a little bit of Prussian blue with the gold. I want to put the chain back in my hand, all but. There, I'm really having a very, very good time. So I'm going to say I recommend this. I like the gold and the Prussian blue and the purple and the turquoise. And I might want some black in a minute. can't believe I got lucky. Yes, I can. Out painting on the day the hurricane was supposed to come. Who's hardcore? That's alright, it really wasn't going to show up very... It wasn't much of a plan in the end. I think some of that and some of that. I'm having a good time. I'm really, really liking this painting. I'm thinking that I might want some bright orange in it though. And I'm wishing I would remember to put all of that chain back in my hand. Ah, we have bright sunshine. Go figure. Getting better at dropping the chain back in my hand quicker. A little bit. Ribbons, ribbons, and more ribbons. Even better if I could do it without taking the chain out of my hand. That would be cool. Hopefully you can see most of that. I didn't know what I was going to do with this painting. It was like, it was another stormy day, and I got rained out of that one too, and this is what came of it. And I'm loving the second layer. Oh, it's sunny and the rain is back. I want some turquoise with that, and I am almost done. Hopefully I don't miss anything. I'm not actually minding the... Lost my train of thought. Okay then. I have no idea what that was, what that thought, where it went, or what it was about at all. I think I might have to stop myself soon. I'm not sure. Go figure. I'm going to have to look at and see where my... I've got 3 minutes left. I like the background. It means I can do whatever I want with the foreground. Also like, where's that gold? That gold right there. Cool. I had a spot I wanted to cover and I got to cover it, and that's neat. I never did put any orange in there. And I kind of want something in here, but I'm not sure what. That's the what. I think I want it with some black too. Not sure how that's going to work. Could probably use something else. Neat. Trying to let my chain go over the side, but it's a gallery wrapped canvas, so it's very deep. Alright, it's time to go ahead and give myself permission to pull a few loops. or not. I was kind of enjoying that purple up there. I think I want some of it back, even if it's just a little. I'm pretty close. I might have to torch. I've got some really neat stuff going on in here. I'm loving a lot of this. There's the orange I was promising myself. Do I dare pull it around with a chain? I'm afraid of what color it'll turn, to tell you the truth. I think this is a 20 by 24 inch canvas. And I can't believe we still got 30 seconds left, which means I should tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you. Which is, if you shop my Amazon link, you help me out, and I appreciate that. If you give me a thumbs up, it tells the YouTube algorithm to give my videos better placement so that more people can find me. And when more people find me, then I have an ability to come back and make more videos for you guys. I like to do this every day. I don't get to do it every day, but I get to do it many days. And it'd be super awesome to make a living at it, which reminds me, I do sell my artwork, and I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill at the gallery. If you're interested in artwork or lesson, you can find me through the YouTube channel header. Mine has Facebook icons in the lower right hand corner, and if you join either Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group or Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, you can probably private message me and get more information on any artwork that you happen to like, because they all have a hashtag on them. That's pretty cool. I think I need some darker orange, and I'm almost done. And pretty quick here, you'll be gone. And I want to say I love you and thank you for all the contributions in the past. If you'd like to continue helping support the studio, please look for the PayPal or Patreon icons, and you'll be entered in a monthly contest, and you can see what's up for grabs on the end screens at the last 20 seconds of this video and any video. And you can also find playlists of over 750 videos. If you like what I do, there's a lot of it. You may want to check that out. I'm almost done, but I keep saying that, and I have a feeling there's going to be a little more coming than I say. But I'm pretty happy with that. I gotta admit that I could be done right now very easily, and it wouldn't surprise me. So I love you guys, and I'm sure I've forgotten all kinds of stuff to tell you. There's Facebook groups and Pinterest and Instagram, and paint pouring recipe underneath the video. If you have questions, just ask them. This is really neat. I like it a lot. I'm actually not unhappy that I had to stop when I did and that I could come back now, because I'm loving what I've got. And I recommend going ahead, forgiving yourself for not having the greatest canvas in the world at some point in time, and going ahead and do it again. I want some gold up there, and you guys are going to be gone. I love you guys. Take care. Priscilla out. Putting it back.